Hi, welcome to Digital Urim. I'm Urim, and here we learn cybersecurity from zero, step by step. In the previous video, we covered what cybersecurity is and why it matters. Today we take the next step, how to think like a security-minded person before we touch any tools. Most people use technology every day without thinking about risk. They click, accept permissions, install apps, and move on. And when something goes wrong, they immediately look for a program to fix it. But in cybersecurity, the problem is usually not missing tools. The real problem is missing understanding. When you don't understand the basics, you depend on others to protect you. You copy commands without knowing what they do. You trust any tutorial. And if someone tricks you with an email or a link, you might not even notice. Thinking like security means asking simple questions. What could go wrong? What am I exposing? What if this is fake? It's like learning to drive. You don't start by taking apart the engine. First, you learn the steering wheel, the brakes, and the road signs. Cybersecurity works the same way. First, you understand what you use. Then you learn how to defend it. If you reverse the order, you get confused, frustrated, and you end up relying on tools without judgment. Cybersecurity is not about living in fear. It's about making better decisions, not trusting automatically, verifying before opening, understanding permissions, and accepting that nothing is 100% secure. That's why professionals think in layers. If one layer fails, another protects you. Strong passwords, updates, backups, properly configured antivirus, and good human judgment. Now here's the key. To think like security, you need the technical foundation. And that foundation starts with two questions. What is a computer really? And what does an operating system do? Because attacks don't happen in the air. They happen inside the system. Processes, permissions, files, memory, and networking. Once you understand that, tools like Windows Defender, Wireshark, Malwarebytes, or Splunk stop being buttons and become tools that actually make sense. In the next video, we'll start from the base, what a computer is and how it works, and then we'll move into operating systems like Windows and Linux. If you understand that foundation, cybersecurity becomes much clearer and more logical. Thanks for watching. Understand, defend, grow.